Hey guys, so the final moment. This is so exciting. The final moments finally come that everyone waiting eagerly for a long time. The most exciting, the most anticipated, the most futuristic, the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra first unboxing images. The premium Galaxy S22 Ultra is the flagship with the high-end features that Samsung has never made before. No more secrets, no more hides. This is Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now you can make a nice pack, which is so similar to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra except the main camera module rectangular. So the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will have a rectangular shape and Samsung has found a way to remove the chunky camera hump. The back will be mostly flat with only the camera lenses sticking out. As far as we can tell, the camera's themeless will use the same sensor as the last year's, plus a new super clear gloss lens. Though with improved image processing, the phone will be a tad brighter. And will finish the work on integrating the S Pen stylus that was started last year with the Galaxy S21 Ultra. The S Pen stylus will have a place inside the phone itself, making this is a Galaxy Note in all but name. Finally, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is the top model of the range. It has the largest and highest quality display, Dynamic AMOLED 2X QHD Plus HDR10 Plus in 5T OHD display with a diagonal of 6.8 inches with a resolution of 3088 by 1440 pixels. The frame rate here is adjustable in the range of 1 to 120 Hz. 1500 ppi protection is provided by Gorilla Glass Victus. The maximum brightness is 715 nits. The amount of RAM Galaxy S22 Ultra 8 to 12 GB flash memory 128 GB and 512 GB. The battery capacity is 5000 mAh, 45 watt fast charging, wide charging 15 watts. Wireless charging and wireless power share is also mentioned. The Galaxy S22 Ultra has its own camera. The main module is suspended by a sensor with a resolution of 108 megapixels with a fast lens with an aperture of 1.8 including OIS super clear gloss, adaptive pixel 2.4 microns, a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera module with f2.2 aperture. There are two telephoto lenses in this smartphone. First 10 megapixel 3x telephoto lens with f2.4 and OIS. Second 10 megapixel 10x telephoto lens with an f4.9 aperture with OIS and 100x digital zoom. The smartphone has received a 40 megapixel high resolution front selfie camera with an f2.2 aperture for taking great selfies. The new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will receive a built-in S Pen stylus with a record highest speed of 2.4 microsecond latency with air action. For the protection and unlocking, the smartphone will receive an ultrasonic on-screen fingerprint scanner. Secure processor and face unlocking Galaxy S22 Ultra are the most expensive in the range. There are 3 memory options in the Ultra model that we already know. One of the most important memory options that everyone looking and waiting eagerly for Galaxy S22 Ultra with 1TB variant. According to the rumors, in the future we will see the most high-end memory option in the line, but it may launch in the selected smartphone markets. The new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will be equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 latest processor. According to the news, there will be two processor variants, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 version and Exynos 2200 variants for selected markets. Here in Pakistan, we will receive a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor with 4nm technology. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will support 8K video recording. You will take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.